and welcome to 7-Minute Music. Now this is our first lesson in this program, and I thought we'd kick off with the open A minor scale. It's a pretty good one for playing along with some rock music and has some really cool classical vibe to it as well. But we'll kick it off just with the basic notes in the open position. So open means you're actually hitting the strings with nothing down. Okay, now because it's the A minor scale, we're starting on the A string, and that's the second string down. Okay, now if I say an open A, what I'm meaning is to just play that string, no fingers down. Now if I go to the second fret, pushing down in between the strings, and that's our next note. I go to the third fret. Okay. Now move to the next string. So this is the D string. So open D. Now I'm going to push down on the second fret on the D string. Now pushing down on the third fret on the D. Okay. Now an open G, which is the next string, and then the second fret on the G. Okay, so that's the open A minor scale. So we'll run through it and we'll just go string at a time. So the A string, O, 2, 3, D string, O, 2, 3, G, O, 2. Easy. All right, so now we'll try and put it together a little bit quicker. So open, 2, 3, next string, open, 2, 3, next string, open, 2. And again, open, 2, 3, open, 2, 3, open, 2. Now, as you work up, you might just be getting to that point. Now we'll go just a little bit quicker and give it a little bit more of a challenge. So we're just going to cut back the gap between moving between strings. So, A string, O, 2, 3, D string, O, 2, 3, G, O, 2. Okay. Now I'm going to try this. Now I'm not going to yell out the name of the string. So, O, 2, 3, O, 2, 3, O, 2. O, 2, 3, O, 2, 3, O, 2. A little bit quicker. O, 2, 3, O, 2, 3, O, 2. Again. O, 2, 3, O, 2, 3, O, 2. Now we're going to try and get it nice and smooth, so there's not much of a gap between changing strings. That's what you're really going for here in your scales. O, 2, 3, O, 2, 3, O, 2. And again. O, again, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2. And again, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2. Now if you can get to that point, you're doing really, really well. Might take a few goes at practicing, but look, that's what it's about, learning an instrument. Now, just for a few of you that might want slight more challenge, I'm going to go a little bit faster. So. And just a little bit faster. Great. Now look, if you've gotten even halfway there, you're doing really well. Now jump on, have a practice, play the backing track, play this over the top of it. It can be a lot of fun. I think it's a great way to actually get a feel for how the scale actually works. Other than that, congratulations for doing your first lesson on 7-minute music.